Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but sometimes our busy schedules can make it difficult to prepare a healthy and satisfying meal. In this video, we will be sharing 5 easy and healthy breakfast ideas for busy mornings. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a great option for busy mornings because they can be prepared the night before. Simply mix oats with your favorite milk, yogurt, and toppings such as fruit or nuts. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, and you have a delicious and healthy breakfast ready to go in the morning. Smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are another easy and healthy breakfast option. Simply blend your favorite fruits and vegetables with yogurt or milk, and pour it into a bowl. Top it off with granola, nuts, or seeds for added texture and nutrition. Avocado toast. Avocado toast is a trendy and healthy breakfast option that can be prepared in minutes. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, and top it with mashed avocado and your favorite toppings such as eggs or smoked salmon. Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt parfaits are a delicious and filling breakfast option. Simply layer Greek yogurt with granola, fruit, and nuts in a jar or bowl for a breakfast on the go. Egg muffins. Egg muffins are a perfect breakfast option for those who want a high-protein and low-carb meal. Simply whisk eggs with your favorite vegetables and cheese, and bake in a muffin tin for a convenient breakfast that can be eaten on the go. So there you have it, 5 easy and healthy breakfast ideas for busy mornings. With these options, you can start your day off right and fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to tackle the day ahead. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and tricks.